A San Antonio woman will pay $27,000 for illegally downloading music when she was a teenager. The U.S. Supreme Court refused today to hear Whitney Harper's appeal. It's the first internet file sharing case to make it to the high court, and it could impact hundreds of people here in Austin.
Whitney Harper was a high school cheerleader in San Antonio 6 years ago. Like many people her age, she admits she downloaded dozens of songs from file-sharing websites, songs she didn't pay for. Her defense was that she didn't know what she was doing was illegal.
Ignorance is no excuse, and it is a strict liability situation, so that's not a viable defense.
Raymond Shiflett should know. As Director of Legal Services on the UT campus, he's schooled in the legal ins and outs of the recording industry's crusade to stop illegal downloads.
If their piracy software was finding out who you were, then you were at risk.
In 2008, the RIAA began to target college campuses. At that time, the University of Texas was the #1 source of copyright violations in the country, and the RIAA sued hundreds of students.
The students were almost uniformly horrified. Many of them did not expect to be challenged like that, and they didn't know it. A lot of them didn't even know it was illegal.
A defense shot down by a Texas appeals court in the Harper case, and one the Supreme Court refused to overturn. The lawsuits at UT continue today, although they have slowed to about one a month.
I'm not going to suggest that every single student has learned their lesson and there's no illegal downloading going on at this campus, but I think we've had a significant impact.
As for Harper, a Texas Tech University graduate, she'll pay more than $27,000. That's $750 for each of the 37 songs she's accused of downloading illegally, the maximum amount allowed under the Copyright Act.
Now, most of the University of Texas cases have been settled for somewhere between $3,000 and $4,000. A small number of them were dismissed. To learn more about what you can do if you receive a warning about a lawsuit in this kind of case, follow the links with this story right now at KXAN.com.